pretending it's Friday.
We asked avid advisor Mr. Mark Antonio how to enter and exit the gym for an assembly.
The first new assembly procedure that we're going to go through is how you get down to the assembly. When you're dismissed to go down for the assembly, you're going to leave all your backpacks in the classrooms, and the teachers will lock the doors behind you so that everything's secure. Certainly you're welcome to take cell phones and those types of things to go with you, but all backpacks need to stay in the classroom before you go into an assembly. The other thing that we're going to talk about changing is how we exit assemblies. We're going to dismiss a little bit earlier from assembly, so when either Dr. Johnson or Coach Barge or one of the other administrators dismisses you from an assembly, and we're going to start by letting the upper mezzanine bleachers exit first. So if we're sitting by grade levels, that'll be the freshmen and sophomores. We'll leave first. You're on the lower level, and you will exit second. You'll exit the assembly doors or the gym doors. You'll get dismissed back to your class to go pick up your backpacks. You'll either go to your next class, depending on what time it is, or if it's the end of the school day, you'll be dismissed to the buses, or you'll be dismissed to the car rider side if you drive.
Wow, I'll be sure to go to an assembly like a pro now. This is Sam from WGTV, signing off.